guys, today we're gonna check the JBL 500 at half volume. Okay, so we have a soundbar with 590 watts of total output power, an immersive audio experience, a remote plus JBL One app connectivity, 300 plus streaming services through AirPlay, Alexa and Chromecast built in. The sound was recorded with my Rode mic and of course my opinion at the end of the video.
Just wish you knew.
Okay guys, so what I like about the JBL Bar 500 is that I can enjoy an amazing sound experience with full wireless and Bluetooth 5.0 support. The additional HDMI input allows you to connect your games console or Blu-ray player easily. The included subwoofer ensures deep thumping bass and a large spacious soundstage. Okay, with Dolby Atmos you can enjoy a surround sound experience in your living room without rear speakers. The soundbar has automatic calibration and a pure voice assistant, so you can control it with simple voice commands. Okay, so what I don't like about this soundbar is that it has no options to add Apple Music. It doesn't have or support separate rear speakers, and the MultiBeam isn't as good as a true surround system with rear speakers. Okay guys, so if you like the video and like my channel, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Stereo Specs, the only channel on YouTube where all comparisons are possible. See you next time guys.